What's going on, guys? Hopefully you're having a wonderful day today. And in today's video, I want to talk about a few things that took place. One, Apple obviously here entered something I call the pocket strategy, which I've used over the years. And if you guys that follow me, you know how well this strategy kind of works out. But most importantly, what I noticed early on the flow side, on the option side, that kind of got me intrigued in thinking of the upside move on Apple. All right, so we're gonna dive in and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I was paying attention to. Okay, so on the daily here, what do we have? We have an area of resistance right here, right? We have resistance again right here. So we pushed up, failed to break above that, sold all the way down and retested again before selling off. Now we're coming into that area of 150, 179. And if we're able to break above this level, guys, what do we enter? We enter an area of a pocket, what I like to call, okay? And what is a pocket? Pocket pretty much means there's not much resistance overhead until this next area. And the next area is 156.73. Why do we like pockets? Well, simply because there's not much overhead and the move is gonna be nice and fluid, okay? Perfect. Now let's dive into the intraday time frame. So the intraday time frame here, you can see that every time we shot up against this 150, 179, we got rejected. But what I was noticing that was really going on here, guys, was if you're looking at the options chain, okay, early on, these 155 and 152s, the volume were just getting clobbered. They were sitting at 20,000 and rising literally every minute. Even when we were pulling back, the volume on these contracts, these two contracts, were aggressively increasing. Right now we're sitting at 64,000, so they've doubled ever since we actually broke out. But that was intriguing to me. That looked interesting. They were coming in, lots of buyers were coming in and hammering away at these 152, 155. Friday's expiry, short term, out of the money, something we look forward to, right? Perfect. Now, if we go in, take a look at what kind of shifts here. At around 9:48, you're starting to get a lot of call flow, bullish call flow coming in. And you can see here, they really start coming in and hammering it, all right? At around 9:50 area, they're still buying these calls all the way down into this dip. And around 9:30, if I go back and show you guys the 9:30 time frame, take a look at what happens here. More bullish flow just starts hammering in here, okay? Now, again, if we go look at the OI and the volume, the OI was sitting at 50K and today we have 64,000 volume that came in. Same thing with the 152.50s, right? These were the options chain that I was showing you guys, the 152.50 and the 155. So by just looking at my options chain, I knew crazy flow was coming into it. And take a look at what happened once we broke above this 151.79. We know that the daily has room to get going, right? If we break above this 151.79, not much resistance overhead, we can get a clear fluid move. And take a look at what happened. We broke above that 151.79 and it just took off incredibly there, all right? So just to kind of show you guys some things, when you're seeing unusual volume coming into a certain name and you have your levels drawn and you know there's not much resistance overhead, and that level is becoming a good resistance area and you're getting call volume and you're getting calls coming in, people are buying this dip, that setup is gonna be a good entry for you guys. If that 151.79 level broke, you had that confirmation to get involved and get a nice strong push to the upside for a solid day trade on a Wednesday. All right, guys, so I hope you did find value in this. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video with anybody who you think will find value in it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.